welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I wanted to do a little bit of spring cleaning, kind of go through my inventory. I have a couple of bins and boxes out, kind of wanted to see like what I have and see what I can make with what I have, right? So yeah, a couple of reasons I want to do this is because there's some things that I want to discontinue in general, and there's other things, for example these cute little cowboys that I am low on and I sadly won't be able to get them anymore because I think these ones have been discontinued. It's been a couple months, I have not seen them back. So yeah, I need to make what I can with them and discontinue that. So yeah, come along, let's see what I make. I have these little butterflies as well that I'm kind of low on. This one I'm definitely still keeping these little glitter ones, but I thought I would make something new. I don't know, I was thinking of this like daddy to be pin. I think it looks cute. I also have these butterflies that I'm low on. And so for these ones I was thinking maybe making a maternity sash. I don't know, we'll see. We're gonna play around with it, you know. Again, I have a bunch of little mustache, maybe some pacifiers with these ones, right? The cute little whale. So yeah, okay, let's get started. Progress update. So this is gonna be the new butterfly pin that I'm gonna be adding for the daddy to be. So cute. And then I started working on these Ahoy baby themed ones with the little whale, adorable. So this is one design. I'm thinking of doing another one with the red pacifier, and then this one, the little boat part, and maybe again white glitter with blue bow. Let me see how that looks. But yeah, obsessed with these ones, so cute. I'm gonna start working on creating some maternity sashes and ribbon pins. Just because I feel like these little pieces work better if I attach them onto the maternity sashes. And also, like I said, a lot of these little things are the last ones that I have because they've been discontinued and I couldn't get any more. But yeah, oh, these are so pretty though. It makes me so sad, the butterfly ones. So yeah, this is one, this is the second one, and then this is gonna be a twinkle twinkle little star one. And I still need to figure out how to make this one. It's because this one, it's purplish pink. It's not lavender. It's not pink. It's like a mixture of both. So like I'm trying to play around with it as I'm designing this. But yeah. Also, I found these little berry ones, so I can do a berry theme. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna do that as well. But yeah, let's start assembling all these three that I have right now. That way we can take pictures tomorrow. Update, this is how the twinkle little star one turned out, the blue and dark blue with gold accents. And then here are the butterfly ones that I'm obsessed with, the pink and gold combo. These are so pretty. I'm telling you, I'm so sad that I couldn't get more of these pretty butterflies. Here's the other one. And then the last one I'm gonna make for today is this pink and purple combo, so I can use the last set of butterflies that I have. So yeah, if you're interested in these are the only ones I have. Once they're sold out, I'm not adding them back. So yeah, by the time I post this video, everything should be up, I'm hoping, hopefully, because it does take me a while to take pictures and edit and everything. But anyways, pretty much it though when it comes to the maternity sashes that I'm adding this week. Now let's move on to ribbon pins. So I was thinking, because I just found this in my ribbon stash and it's new too, like I haven't even opened it. Let's make some cowboy pins. That way I can use these ones as well, because I'm gonna discontinue these little baby cowboys because again I couldn't get them anymore. And yes, I have this one and this one. I think I showed you guys earlier, and I need to use them. And then also a couple months ago I was cutting, if you guys watched the vlog, I was cutting ribbon, right, with whatever I had left over. And so let's try to make something with what I have in here. Let's see what I come up with. It's a lot of it is more seasonal, like fall and Halloween stuff, but it's okay, we can start working on that stuff right now and have it ready for Halloween and stuff. So yeah, ta-da, here is the last maternity sash all done. And you know what, let's go ahead and just start taking pictures right now of what I finished, because I also have the pacifiers that I need to take pictures, and I want to upload all of this by tonight. So let's go to the garden, let's go set up the dress form and start taking pictures. So it is a bit windy, but we're gonna make it work, okay? But here's one of our butterfly sashes. Look how pretty this is. Obsessed. I'm telling you, I'm in love with these little butterfly. end the vlog here. I'm gonna put everything away, and tomorrow we'll continue with working on the ribbon pins, because I printed out some new stuff as well that I wanted to work on, some new themes like this one, that the Cielito Lindo. I wanted to create a collection of that, and so we'll just pick up tomorrow. Today I'll go and start editing the photos, and so by the time I post this video, for sure everything will be up that I worked on today. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.